Hey, what's up, traders? Mike here with the watch list video for Tuesday, August 1st. Pretty narrow range on the SPY, pretty low volume. If I show you 5-minute candles, and I think I have extended hours on here, let me fix that. Had a nice little pop at the end of the day, but overall, a pretty narrow range, kind of slow day. Some neat calls in chat, though. I'm going to slide this one over. I hate to make my favorite call in chat my own, but it was today. There's a screenshot right there, Tupperware, TUP over 340 idea. And you can see the intraday. It had a high of, I'm not sure what the intraday high was, 345 maybe, right? Then Friday afternoon had a little lower high of 350. And then back here, 375, not there, but farther out. I'll show you on the other chart. But anyway, very clean pattern and a kind of little intraday cup and handle. Called it long, literally right where that arrow is at 340. Stop was, I want to say like 14 cents below. And let me get this out of the way now. And let's look at what it did. So right there was the entry and just absolutely took off and squeezed. Let me go back to the daily real quick. This is for those that weren't in chat. The other day it had a high right there of 375. So when I talk about stacked catalysts, there was the 340 entry. I'm using 15-minute candles now. Then you had the 350, then Friday's high, which was, I think, 357, and then the 375. So you can kind of picture the little downtrend line there, a little flag pattern. Once 340 broke, it knocked down all these other catalysts and absolutely squeezed. So pretty proud of that one. You could probably have this on a chart tomorrow, but to me, it's a little bit extended. I mean, I'll certainly have it on a chart, but I'm not going to put it on the official watch list of what I'm going to be watching tomorrow. You guys know I'm a day trader, so keep that in mind. I'm looking for things that may give me a day trade tomorrow. MNK had this big rip, then the gap up, couple red days, and it's curling right back up. Certainly goes on long watch for tomorrow. ACHR, let me pan out a little bit here. Big breakout. Whoops, I went the wrong way. A lot of big breakouts today, actually. Big breakout there in ACHR. We're going to watch that for a possible setup tomorrow. MYMD. Had nice news. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. And topped out right at 158 before closing at 145. That might have the follow-through day tomorrow. We're going to have that one on a chart. DFLI had this nice run here and flagging and is starting to curl back up. I've been kind of keeping an eye on that one. EVLO had a really big run back here, pulled back and is starting to curl back up. That's a thinner stock. Be careful with it if it trades, if it gives any kind of trigger. INVZ. Nice volume, pretty strong close. AFRM, you can kind of picture I'll put the horizontal line there, right? It's very near a little mini chart break, so we're going to keep that one on watch. Blue, I don't know, I'm on the fence about this one. It's just kind of boring. It's a narrow range. It is kind of flagging right there after this pop. I'll keep it on the list, but I'm not in love with it. AIXI, it hasn't been trading for that long, but I'll put the horizontal line at the all-time highs. They're a big breakout today. So it's extended. Look at this. What is this, like 6 or 7 green days in a row? This actually looks like upside capitulation, right? Like it really needs to come in. But it doesn't have that much chart history, so I am going to keep an eye on it. NKLA. I kind of started to give up on this one when it got down here, and it's starting to curl right back up. So it's very close to a possible chart breakout. I wouldn't mind seeing it rest for a couple days and then break out on Wednesday or Thursday. But anyway, it one goes on a chart. Peloton, PTON, very similar to a couple of those other charts, right? Very near little mini chart break. And then SOFI, big breakout today. Pan out a little bit here. And you can see put the horizontal line there. See that big breakout. Maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. And we'll add gappers to this list as we always do in the pre-market. And we will spend the day looking together for A-plus intraday setups. And hopefully catch some nice trades to make some money. All right, I'm done babbling. We'll see you in chat.